Hello everyone, this is Ayush Patel. Currently, I am pursuing JKDNA course including ethical hacking specialization from Jetking Aliganj as well as global certification of Red Hat. Today, I am going to tell you something about boot sequence of router. Before I start my presentation, please have a look on the contents. Here, these are the contents that we are going to discuss in this class, such as hardware test, bootstrap program, the Cisco IOS and the configuration file. So moving forward. So what is post? Here you can see the router performs a post, that is power on self test. The post tests the hardware to verify all the components of the device are operational and present. For example, the post checks for the different interfaces on the router, like everything is working or not. Second thing is our bootstrap program. Basically, bootstrap is responsible for initializing hardware and finding where iOS program is located and then loading iOS image. So moving forward. Now what is Cisco IOS? Here I am using Cisco IOS. IOS means Inter-Network Operating System. Cisco IOS is usually loaded from flash memory. If the router cannot find the iOS in flash memory, it looks a copy on TFT server, that is Trivial File Transfer Protocol. If you want to see a detail of flash memory, you can type in your router in CLI mode show flash. At that time you will see all the information about flash memory. Moving forward. Now what is here, you can see startup configuration. Startup configuration means the file present in NVRAM. It is a file actually, it presents in NVRAM. The router will load and apply the configuration commands in startup configuration, means startup config file. If a valid startup configuration file not found in NVRAM, iOS will display the configuration setup. Here you can see in this image, you can easily notice that everything is mentioned here. Now moving forward. Here the most important image you can see. First step is our post. If our operating system is found, then it will go through boot. Then if it doesn't found, then no. Here you can see no, then ROM monitor mode will be on. Like if boot interrupted, then yes. Here you can see everything. If it's found a config file, then load from NVRAM, then TFT server. There are two options from it can be loaded. In last, if config file found, then load the operating system. Now moving forward. Now here's the summary. In this presentation we saw how router performs booting process and what is the sequence of booting, like post, program, Cisco IOS. What is Cisco IOS? It is a Inter-Network Operating System which is developed by Cisco, is a networking company. So last I want to say thank you.